Hi everyone. Now I've got this lace. We do have it in the shop, and it's gorgeous for flower making, and it's £1 a metre. And you need 2, 4, 6, 8. Oops, sorry. 10, 12, 16 scallops. And I've got some flowers here as well, plus some other bits and pieces. And all you do is that running stitch. Really quick and easy running stitch. These flowers, I love them. The lace flowers, they're gorgeous. And even up your stitches if you can, only because when you gather this, because it's a flat lace, so it needs gathering, it will lay flat and lay even. And you can do it all at once on the needle. Use the long needles. We do sell the long needles as well. So I've just pricked myself again. When I'm... Look. Bum. It's not a good day for me today. It just isn't. It's like everything's going wrong. But hey ho. Right. So, like I say... Sorry, but if I don't laugh, I cry. It's just one of those days. I'm having a whinge, a little bit of a mood. I've been busy since about 6 o'clock this morning. And it's, you know when everything's against you. I just start doing something. Look, we've just got another load of lads coming in the street because we have some young ones living in the street. And all the mates come. And then they start writing and putting music on and blaring it. Right, I'm just... And I'm thinking, take your youth somewhere else. Gone bad, aren't I don't care. I don't. I wish they'd bugger off to their own areas. Right, I'll do this. There. So that's our flower. And that is perfect gather with the right amount of scallops. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, if I can get that glue off there, put a little bit of glue there just to join that. That's all. Okay. And keep spreading them out. And pull, just gently. See? And that gives a gorgeous flower. Now, I don't need to double that flower at all. But I've got, like, lots of things. I like these. We've got these in the shop. And you need 3. Take 3 of those. These are like a silk ribbon flower. And they're easy to make. They're not hard at all. I'm just going to put the 3 like that and then turn them together. Now, wait a minute, because I did have somewhere my little centrepiece, which is that. A little bit bent, but it'll straighten out. It's fine. Like that. Now, all I've got to do is just to snip that out. I just want to snip the middle out so that my... I should have done that first, because I don't want to catch the thread and snip the flower, do I? Right, so we'll glue that again. Like that. So that's in the centre. And then pop. See, like that. There, look at that. It's quite, it's what I would call wedding-y, but I'm going to go one step further. Let me just glue that in. I am going to go one step further, see, like that, because in the centre there, like that, I'm going to add one of these, and we sell those in the shop as well. Look at that, they're gorgeous. And then we can snip that. Oh, it went somewhere. Yeah, but you don't need much. And then from the little things, or we can use those bits we cut off, or we can just... Now this can go on a headband, you know, or a wrist or anything. You know, if they're going to a prom night or something like that. You use these anywhere. Put it on a bag. Put it on a slide. Whatever you want to do. And they're really, really cute. Okay? That look lovely. So that's one. Now I'm going to do the same amount again, because we want to keep that ruffle. And we'll use a different flower. Raymond's out cutting the grass. Well, he's cut it. It's yeah, so he's one of them that's got me nurse today. I went, do you have to? I'm filming. He went, well, it's got to be done. Maybe you could do it late evening when everybody's come home from work watching telly and disturb them. Cruel. He's going, well, I can't be bothered then. I went, oh, hurry up, get on with it. Like I say, we go back to the beginning and we take that first section and we put a stitch in there. And then we can just hold it like that, hold the two pieces together, and you can just pull like that. See? I'm going to loosen that a little bit. It just don't want to go. It's not my day. It ain't my day, look. Don't want to go. So it's not budging. I'll move it. That'll do. Here, cut it off. It's going to get covered. They have days like that. Not often. Not often at all. Like that. See? And we can pull that. Just keep going round and round. The more you do it, the more even it gets. Because you're levelling it out properly. That's beautiful. Look at that. So let's put a back on it. Might as well. First of all, what I want to do is, I've got these. These are for sale. And I was just thinking about them. Just to cut the heads off. Now, do I want to put anything in the middle? Maybe not. Lovely. And then we can just pop on one of these in the centre, like that. Now, I'm just going to move that further in the centre like that. I just love them. They've got stamen in and everything, and they look really pretty. So it's very little effort and very little material to make a nice flower. So we've got that one and that one. See how they look different, but they're made the same. I know you lot out there, you're going, oh, well, I know that for you, but we've got newbies. And newbies sometimes find it difficult. They don't often see or craft like we do. You know, those more experienced. Just going to do this a little bit longer. And you don't have to use green for leaves. You can do leaves from any colour. Like I say, there's no set way to craft or use whatever. Just use whatever you want, whatever you feel comfortable with, whatever you like. Okay, so again, we're going to fold that over. Where did I put my needle? There we go. What I'm going to do, I think... No, I'm going to do it from here, like I said. And I'm just going to take it over to the edge. Like that. And then take it to that edge. Right. And then before I pull it or anything, I'm just going to cut. Now this is a taffeta ribbon. Good quality taffeta. Must hide that out the way. Okay. Well, what I'm going to do is to pull it slightly. Like that. Get a little bit of gather. And then what you do is, when you open it, see, you have that crinkled leaf. And they look really good. So you can have the small or the large. I hope that's helpful to you. You know. Like I say, when you're stitching it, if you start at the base, like I said, and just go to the edge pretty quick, that gives you a wide opening here. And then you taper it in to there. And that looks great on projects. So I hope that's helpful. There are lots and lots of different leaves that you can do. And yeah, have fun. Oh, hang on, I wanted to share something else with you. Wait a minute. This one it was, I think. Now, let me just see. Right, I'm going to show you how to make this little rose. And it's really, really simple. So, take your needle, cut your ribbon, oops, sorry, about 1 inch in, and then you're just going to start, do it a little bit wider, about 1/2 inch. Do that. It's up to you how many rolls you put on it.
You started filming yet?
Yeah, what's the matter now? Okay, so I'm going to finish on the pink. And then you turn that around. Pop your ribbon through. And then you can just pull. And twist. And then pull that through. Just be careful, do it gently. Like that. And one side of it comes through, and that's it. And there you go. And you've got your little rose. And I just think they're awesome. You can still twist them around a bit. Nice little flowers. So I hope that's helpful. Really easy.